In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Appointments module in Inca Clinic. So once you log in, just click on the Appointments tab. This will show you the medical centers that you operate, and you can have any number of medical centers. Click on a medical center and it will display the rooms that are available for booking patients into. I can look at a diary for the month coming up, I can look at the week, and I can look at the day. At the top of each diary then you'll see who's on duty, whether it's a doctor, pharmacist, or a nurse. And these blue areas indicate when they are available to take appointments, and the white area is when they're not available. So this is basically their roster for today. So to book an appointment, I just select a slot, choose the reason for their visit. So we'll just put in that they're coming for a full travel consultation, and we'll just put in some details about that patient, so capture it over the phone. Phone number. If you can get an email address, as the system can send out reminders and confirmation emails to the patient. The notes field, I can just capture what they're doing and any other people that might be attending that appointment for the day. So just save that, and that's my appointment made. If the patient was to call and say that they needed to change their slot, well, there's a couple of options I have. I might want to look, for example, to see if there's availability in one of my other clinics, and I'd like to view the rooms side by side and compare. So we can see here now I'm looking at both rooms, and this patient here, say, has called up and said they'd like to move to a later slot, and or we might want to move them to a different medic. So I'm just going to reschedule this, click OK, and you can see now I'm in this reschedule mode, and actually this patient should be seen by this medic instead. So I'm just going to click on the time and press save. You can set up the diary to operate at any standard length, so you can set up as 20 minutes, half an hour, 50 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever suits your particular practice. If I wanted to make a slightly longer appointment for a patient, I can just highlight whatever number of cells I need. The other way I can do this is I can go in here and I can edit it and extend it. So say I want to make this a half-hour appointment because this is a particular complicated case, and we can just again book that patient in and save that appointment. The other thing you might want to do with the comparison as well is that, for example, if I like to have a common view, so I want to always see these two clinics side by side, I can actually go and save that as my favorite view. So just give it a name, and the next time I come into that, it's saved that as a group, and now I can load up this common view because it's one I like to use quite often. So patient arrives in, the next thing you want to do is either convert them into a patient, maybe you've never seen them before, and to do that I simply pull up their details. So we'll pull up this appointment here and go and view their record so I can see what information there is, and then I just click create a patient record, and what this does is it carries across any of the information I have about this patient, and I just need to fill in the red areas. You can see it's warned me that I need to put in a date of birth, which is fine because we hadn't captured that. Once that's done, you are then ready to continue the consultation with the actual patient. That's an overview of the appointment system in Inca Clinic. Thanks for watching.